How can you use Wellington Engagement Index data to support teacher professional growth? First, the teacher collects data using the Wellington Engagement Index, our software platform that measures student engagement. In about 2 minutes, each student plots how much they love their classes and how challenged they feel by their coursework. The teacher then reviews the data, looking at where student responses fall on the engagement grid. In this example, most dots land in the bottom left, low challenge and low love, suggesting that students are likely bored. The goal is to shift those dots into the engagement quadrant by applying instructional strategies that help students feel more challenged and more connected in their learning. With these targeted efforts, the teacher aims to boost both the love it and challenge scores, moving students from boredom to engagement. Interested in learning more about the Wellington Initiative and the Wellington Engagement Index? Connect with us at www.wellington.org.